Hello, so in this video we are going to see TCS verbal ability questions that were previously asked in TCS Digital. So let's see the first question. The given sentence is divided into parts. Select the part which has an error in it and as the correct answer. The Vice President of India and the Vice Chancellor of this university have given his consent to join the meeting. So we can see that the answer in this case over here can be D, because the statement speaks about two people, that is the Vice Chancellor and the Vice President. So in this case we are talking about two people, but here it is shown his, so here it is speaking about only one person. So the answer that should be over here, it should be them. So that is why the first answer is D. He wants to stay dash home on his mother's birthday. So the options are at, in, on, with. So the correct answer for this is at. He wants to stay at home on his mother's birthday. Since home is a very specific location, we will make use of at. So the next question is, choose the correct preposition or prepositional phrase from the options to fill in the blank. Telecare is a telephone support service in the US that provides contact with people who are alone and isolated, dash they are aged or have disabilities. So the options that we have are in contrast to, because, on the other hand, despite. So over here the most appropriate option will be because, since this part of the blank gives the reason for action given in the part preceding of the blank. So let's see what it is saying. Since it is giving a reason why they are alone, like why this telecare support is established, because it is for those people who are aged and having disabilities. Nowadays people dash text messages instead of phoning. So the options are send, will be sending, sent, are sending. So the correct answer for this is nowadays people are sending, since the statement is in present tense, so we will be using are sending. If Jack dash, they would probably win. So the answer for this will be if Jack plays. Since the statement is in future tense, all the other options apart from plays are in past tense. So the correct option over here will be plays. I wish we could sell the grand piano. It dash too much space here. It takes out, takes up, takes on, takes off. So the answer for this is it takes up too much space over here. The people ought to learn their lesson. They should not dash all the promises made by politicians. So the options are fall in, fall at, fall for, fall into. So the most appropriate answer over here will be fall for. So the people ought to learn their lesson. They should not fall for all the promises made by politicians. The passenger car sales showed a decline dash 7% to 5.6%. The passenger car sales showed a decline from, since it is a range given in the question, so we are going to use from. Dash the new Safari Storm Mahindra has more leverage in increasing the sales. Options are on, in, with, at. So the correct answer over here will be with. With the new Safari Storm, Mahindra has more leverage in increasing the sales. Since the possession over here is shown, so we are using with. Raj found it difficult to manage single-handedly the three children who were always quarreling between themselves. So in this question we have to find the statement which has error in it. So the statement D over here, as you can see, since there are multiple childrens, so we should write amongst themselves. The childrens will be fighting amongst themselves, so the option D has the error.